Hey everyone, this is P Media once again. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to be updated for a new opportunity to earn money online. I regularly share videos focused on making money, so without further ado, let's get started. In this video, I will demonstrate a technique that enables you to earn $30 every 10 minutes with a potential to make up to $180 per hour using this method. I want to begin this video by clarifying that the approach I will be sharing is distinct from transcription or blog posting writing methods. These methods involve a different approach to earning money. With this method, you have the potential to make approximately $25 to $30 every 10 minutes. Instead of being paid per hour, you receive payment every 10 minutes. Considering that there are 6 sets of 10 minutes in an hour, you could potentially make $180 using this method. Many individuals who employ this method typically dedicated 4 to 5 hours each day to it. Let's calculate the potential earning using this website if you dedicated 5 hours to it every day. In that case, you would be making around $900 per day, which is quite impressive. Before we proceed with the video, I want to emphasize that this method is completely free and accessible to anyone with a PayPal account. If you're interested in making money online, I highly recommend subscribing to this channel. I upload various videos every week, each featuring different methods for earning money online. By subscribing, you won't miss out on potential life-changing videos that could transform your financial situation. Now that you have subscribed to the channel and maximized your opportunities to make money online, let's begin. We will start by using Google Translate. To access the Google Translate website, simply open your web browser and search for the Translate on Google. Click on the Google Translate link that appears and it will take you to the website. You can start translating text once you are on the Google Translate website. To do this, select the language you want to translate from and the language you want to translate to. For example, if you want to translate English to Spanish, you would choose English as the source language and Spanish as the target language. For example, how are you? When you type how are you, it translates to ¿Cómo estás in Spanish. It's a straightforward translation. Now let's talk about CPA Grip, a website I really love. It's incredibly user-friendly that allows you to make money easily. All you need to do is copy your affiliate link from the website, and whenever someone takes an action like clicking on the link or providing their email, you earn money. It's a simple way to make money, and it's accessible to people all over the world since it uses PayPal for payment. As long as you have a PayPal account, you can use this website. To register for the website, simply click the register button. Since I'm already registered and taken to the dashboard, I'm not certain about the specific details required. However, the registration process typically involves providing your email address, name, possibly a phone number. It seems to be a straightforward process that requires creating a username, setting a password, and providing your phone number. Once you are logged into the website, you will immediately see a section that displays people who are earning money using it. For example, there's a person who made $30,000 with 15,000 leads, indicating that significant earnings are possible. There are various individuals making money on the site, some earning hundreds of thousands of dollars. Moving on to the dashboard, you will find a list of top-performing offers. However, I will demonstrate a different method today to help you make a substantial amount of money using this website. To begin, navigate to the Offer Tools section and click My Offers. By default, the website recognizes that I'm in the United States and the offers displayed are the most profitable. The highest paying offer currently offers $2.5, which can be lucrative if you have a potential amount of traffic. However, if your goal is to make $2,000 using the offer available on this website, you would need to drive traffic from other 1,000 people. This may not be feasible for many individuals unless they employed alternative methods like utilizing YouTube Shorts and similar strategies. But what if you could earn more than just $2 per offer? There's a little known tip. Focus on countries that offers higher payouts for their offers. For example, consider selecting countries like France, Italy, or Spain. By doing so, you will notice that France, for instance, offers a payout of $23, significantly higher than $2 payout in the United States. The reason behind this is that fewer people are utilizing these countries to generate income. So the website encourages users to explore these regions by providing higher payouts. Let's now explore the possibilities in Spain. Surprisingly, they are actually paying more, offering $28 for completing their orders. On the other hand, the Italy has the highest paying offer of $17. Today we will focus on Spain as we navigate through this website. While Spain may not be initially appeared to have the highest bid, it's important to explore the highest paying countries. You can also check countries like Sweden, Portugal, Australia, Switzerland, Brazil, Egypt, and Mexico to see what the people are promoting and the payout rates. However, in this case, Spain seems to offer the highest payout. The reason behind this is that most people prefer to promote English offers, leaving a significant opportunities for those who can promote offers in Spanish. To obtain your affiliate link, click on an offer, such as the first one that requires entering a telephone number, for a chance to win. For each person who completes this offer, you will earn $28.76. To retrieve your affiliate link, select the tracking domain from the provided options. Now let's choose the tracking domain for your affiliate link. You can select the option More Files or any other suitable options. This will generate your unique affiliate link. Whenever someone submits their phone number for a chance to win the offer, you will earn the specified dollar amount. Make sure to copy or write down your affiliate link and keep it safe. It might be helpful to save it in a text file. Since the link is quite long, you can use a URL shortening service like bit.ly.com to make it more concise and appealing. By shortening the link, it becomes easier for people to click on it. Additionally, let's find out the name of the offer. It appears to be called Ingreso. To engage people, they will click on your affiliate link for a chance to win a free solar generator. When promoting this offer to Spanish-speaking individuals, it's essential to provide the information in Spanish. You can use Google Translate or other translation tools to convert solar generator from English to Spanish. After copying your affiliate link, visit bit.ly and create a new shortened link. Paste your affiliate link into the designated field and click on Create. To customize the shortened link, add the name of the offer, which in this case is Generator Solar. If the customized link is already taken, you can add a number to the end, such as 15 to make it unique. Now that you have shortened your link, it's time to visit the mentioned website. As previously mentioned, for each people who enters their phone number into this offer, you will receive $28.76. The website I'm about to show you generates at least 1,000 visitors to your offer. However, not all of them will complete the offer. Let us assume that 10% of those visitors, which is 100 people, complete the offer. By calculating this, 100 people multiplied by $28.76 equal to $2,876. You have the potential to earn $2,800 if at least 100 people click on your offer and enter their phone numbers. Even if only 10 out of 100 people complete the offer, you will still earn $280. Considering the minimal time investment of setting this up in less than 10 minutes, is a worthwhile opportunity. However, you can repeat this process as many times as you desire, allowing you to increase your earnings based on your frequency of implementation. Now let's proceed to the website called trafficadbar.com. In the Add a Website section, you will paste your affiliate link from bit.ly, which includes the name of your offer, the solar generator. Add the link and click on Add Website. At this point, Google Translate becomes useful. Return to CPA Grip and observe the advertisement they are displaying. In this case, it mentions winning a Jackery solar generator valued at $1,000. Copy this phrase and translate it from English to Spanish using Google Translate. Paste the translated text into the text field of your ad. Set the language of your ad and website to Spanish as your target is a Spanish-speaking audience. Additionally, specify the country where you want to advertise, such as Spain. Saving your ad will post it onto the network. Every time someone completes the desired action, which is entering their phone number, you will earn a commission. Upon individuals entering their phone numbers, you will earn $28.76 per person as mentioned before. Remember that the website generates 1,000 visitors, and if 10 of those visitors complete the offer, you will earn $280, which is still a worthwhile return. If you desire more traffic for your offer, You can access the next video where YouTube Shorts are utilized to generate millions of views for your videos. Remember to work hard and play harder. Thank you so much for watching, and feel free to explore other videos and various online money-making methods. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enables notification for future updates. Stay safe, and I'll see you on the next video.